After you said next time you will not go, don't go. Because you said to Amira you will not go. And then you want to go. And she's thinking you will not go. And then she cry. You know already Amira.
Are you happy, baby?
Okay? Next time you say don't go, don't go.
Ush. Ouch. Happy? Happy? Huh? Kiss Kuya Abi, kiss. You kiss Kuya Abi.
Sunglass pa.
Mama.
Wala namang araw.